Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NAK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today was a great bounce. I can't imagine anybody sitting around saying that from here up to here wasn't a good move on the bull's part, wasn't a good bounce. So with that being said, that does lead into the question of, is there any sort of true power behind this bounce? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, fake bounce, or, in trader lingo, dead cat bounce? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. In my mind, it all revolves around this point right here at, let's see, what is that? $1.18. Why is $1.18 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true strength, with genuine power, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, a price movement with true power is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $1.18. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back into this range where it was during the low portions of the day. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, bounces around on top of that range, and then heads back up. What would you have in that situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down there. If you picture each of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. Or in other words, the bounce would be continuing. It'd be putting in higher lows. And that's the name of the game. So does this price movement have any true strength? Let's just see if the thing can make progress. And I'm defining quote-unquote progress as staying up above $1.18. Now, what about levels of resistance? Key level of resistance right now, all about this former area of support, and that's up there at about the $1.35 mark. You also have the purple line right here. So it's almost kind of a miniature double whammy. And I don't want to come across like it's got to break levels of resistance. In my opinion, breaking levels of resistance right now is kind of far down the priority list. Top priority, in my opinion, building higher bases, because when you have a chart that builds higher bases as time unfolds, the long term of that chart is going to take care of itself. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.